Yes, welcome once again to another package of Euroball Yams. We don't enter studio again. Sharpa, make it for no loss. Make it for no be like say shoot bed in Mama Fly. We don't want to hear that tori at all. We don't come to give now all the latest. Boku sharply enter the matter. But before then, I get my guys them inside the studio. They inside studio.
Up now.
Laba the inside studio just as Sexy Joseph follow the inside studio with us. Today we're going to talk plenty. I was going to start from Chelsea matter. Home lose to Brentford. Sexy Joe, make I come to you. The reports were here before this match. No, after the match actually. Now we're going to say Ibrahim don't get divorce wahala with his wife. I think your wife named Sisi or something. 13 years marriage. Sexy Joe. You sure say nobody this one affect him for this match?
I know sure say na waiting affect him because if this one affect him, then what of the other troubles we don't do on ground before? You understand? Still then they win matches. I feel say na one of those days where the person they get bad day for office. Yes, it dey personal, but I no feel say in any way affect the players. Now personal marriage of 13 years, he don't crash. He dey in the process of divorce proceedings with his wife and all that one. And of course, you know, say Oyibo people once you come to proceedings, they share everything shareable, especially if they prenup and all those ones no day.
Yeah.
So I don't feel saying waiting do then. I just a bad day for office. Now Chelsea get for inside Stamford Bridge against Brentford. They don't play too badly. Brentford maybe because they get the man they call Christian Eriksen. Ever since he joined that team, changes don't come for Brentford, and you just got to give it to the guy. Just to come back from international break where he scored against the Netherlands and no be anyhow go fantastic go. See what he scored against Chelsea. So not just bad day at the office for Chelsea, nothing more, nothing less.
I go tell you again, I believe in spirituality. Whether I would like him or not, now Eriksen's spirit, they make what Brentford they come up. This coolness spirit of Eriksen nearly died.
Okay.
Yeah.
The spirit come back to life.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I look at the spirits go Brentford.
Okay.
If they were Brentford, those kind of they go relegate.
I don't understand. They know they fight relegation before.
There we are.
Brentford beat Arsenal.
They were in the mixture. Their first game.
Yes.
First game.
And then they form for the first.
No, later their form
Then go
come
down.
deep. Their form later deep, but since this guy came back, I mean, they've
So why they relay the
I've
spirit?
done my investigation.
Wait, why they relay the spirit?
The spirit is involved.
Which of the
See,
spirit?
you're not the spirit man.
What? No.
No.
See, when you talk about spirit, Buchi, wait, we don't get time, Buchi.
The God,
Wait.
the God of football spirit.
Which spirit?
He there.
How?
Someone look this thing.
Prove them now.
How I want for playing so well.
Brentford will lose 2 matches or 3
It's the
matches
spirit of Eriksen.
with Eriksen.
Timmy, I don't think they go make
Okay,
sense
so
to you
the day when
because
they lose, the spirit is not there.
no, since they go leave now. I don't think they go make sense to you,
Yeah,
but
bonkwa.
spirits of Brentford, now they keep them, the signing of Eriksen. Take it or don't leave it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fact.
But fantastic if they go fit hold the guy, because now I don't hear say Man United and Tottenham now in former club don't come back. They want to Colombia. If they go fit keep him, because out of all the people now them you see the chance given that chance and they don't repay their faith. So if they go fit keep him, better for them.
And Buchi, Manchester United still a flock ball.
Wow.
Another draw. We got to talk about them because now they get fans and we got to drag their fans. Sorry, Man U fans, we have to drag you people.
Wow.
But another lose. Ronaldo no day. Ronaldo day with his family. We are saying get small wounds, But Buchi, when this problem go stop for Man U?
See, like I keep on telling you, Timmy. See, Man U problem na institutional problem. If you not good for up, you no go good for down. I give good example. Barcelona problem before them bring Laporte, they come back. Now presidential problem, now big problem for up. No matter the kind of coach where you bring, I will take the words of Les Ferguson. Say, as a coach, before you sign for club, look the owner first. Because if the owner no get ambition, you as a coach, you cannot do what you go affect, you go do bad on your CV. Man, you don't bring Luis Van Gaal, bring Jose Mourinho, bring David Moyes, bring Solskjaer. You know what coach you want bring come again? No matter the coach where you bring come, the environment, they good for the players for them to do well. So if you want to go team, then go the book of Barcelona. Make those who get the club, even if they won't get involved, but come on yourself. Give you a good example. The UFC. The owners of the UFC, then they run the UFC. And then why the president they run the UFC. But at the end of the day, they still get their money. So bring person.
With Sabi
and well. Still be your owner, no problem. They collect your money, but not they involved in the running of the club. Not put politics for the club. It could be problem. Even if them bring in Jan Croft, or bringing our own Austin and for come Man United. Nothing go change. Nothing go change because they get institutional. Let me the play.
Voila for Manchester United. If you're Man U fan at this point in time. Because I don't know. The draw just they continue from. In fact, where the team bad reach right now, Manchester United they feel come up from top 4 as with a table now, 51 points.
Exactly.
Arsenal still get game in hand though. Arsenal still get like 2 games or 3 games in hand.
Exactly.
Tottenham don't move up to 4th. While are they for Man U? Plenty while I just hope they go feel do well for inside the remaining matches so that at least they go feel still qualify for Europe because the way they draw matches last they feel even miss out from Europa League, maybe now Europa Conference. Me Man U they play Europa Conference. Wait.
Ronaldo play Man U Europa Conference.
Ronaldo they play Europa Conference.
No, on that day he go from I know well. I get Wunjo.
Yeah. Okay, from there, Boku enter the Serie A. Buchi, make I come to you. Inter Milan win their match against Juventus. Penalty from Hakan Talhau, no goal. But the truth of the matter, we say, like Juventus, no they in the running for Scudetto.
They never did.
Napoli win their match against Atalanta 3-1. So good win for the two sides. And you got stop say
points with AC Milan.
Inter Milan still collect this title, defend their title, and win last season.
You know what? Like it's in the Serie A now. I get bored to a level. Say you went to win them 9 times in a row.
Yes.
Like it can't be very very boring. I think Inter Milan bring that house, come in and last season, and now you don't see AC Milan Napoli. So
everybody don't wake up.
Now 4 days. So if they make football very very sweet. When you see playing teams, they fight for the title. And Juventus, whether we like come or not, they say Ronaldo not problem. Ronaldo not come on and they say be problem. But they're not about Ronaldo. Be saying you have one problem, and that problem. So plenty problem they ahead right now. But it's crazy. But I like the competition for the Italian Serie A. Football about competition. Juventus don't to dominate for too long. What are they pray? Be say this other team because I know say Inter Milan and AC Milan. When they don't go take briberies or so, they go carry them come up with their head now. Because they fear me. Or something. Because they get plenty while out of their head. When they win well, when they win the league. Like I want to make AC Milan especially win the league.
AC Milan. From them,
Napoli. Sorry, Napoli.
Napoli. You don't even know where you want it.
Just 3 points now.
Napoli now you want.
Napoli. AC Milan.
Now just 3 points now. Now very, very open race for inside Serie A right now. Now just 3 points. Now Napoli and AC Milan take past Inter Milan. So now very open race for inside Serie A. And just like Buchi take talk up, I like the fact say we don't see change of baton.
Thank you, my colleague.
Change of baton for inside Serie A. This one no be the one where be say only Juventus they win back to back for like 9 times before Inter Milan come break that yoke. And I hope say go continue like that because now more people now don't they pick more interest for inside the Serie A. Unlike before where we say when Juve they win and they go. And now breeze don't blow. We don't they begin to see loopholes for inside the Juve.
Okay, from there, Boku enter Sexy Joe. Make I stay with you because you use your mouth to say Xavi Hernandez go fail.
I remember for years.
You this woman, Sexy Joe.
I know.
You talk and say Xavi.
Apologize.
He's a failure. He can never make it.
Apologize. I say make you apologize. I'll go find that podcast. I will find out.
You say he can never make it.
You know, I'm so happy. Xavi Hernandez.
Apologize.
No. I will. But then remember, I said they still get like I think 9 more games or 10 more games.
Wait, but what thing don't do now, Sexy Joe? You guys
I'm impressed.
Hell am ahead.
Give her because before this guy take over, Barcelona did between 9 and 10. And now this guy don't carry them to 2nd position. I hail him.
Healings.
And I hereby apologize to Xavi.
Thank you.
Time still wait he got to prove me right for the rest of the season. Then I go come do the main formal apology. Okay. But I'm so impressed.
But Buchi,
I don't know the mental and like Buchi take talk am. If you no good for up, no good for down. Laporta don't come before. John Laporta don't come before. Come out as president. We see waiting happen during his tenure. This one's waiting be the other one named first take over. No, before Bartomeu take over. The other one, Russell and Sandro Russell. Yeah, take over. We don't see waiting happen during that one self tenure. Now Bartomeu everybody and he come out and this guy come back now. He bring back person wey get better knowledge of the football and their football philosophy. And we don't see that football culture now return back to Barcelona. Now from 9th, this guy carry them reach second. It's very, very commendable. Although he still get plenty work to do. And they carry players where they're hungry
to complete,
regardless of the pogri.
Timmy, as you criticize Sexy for saying Xavi no go work, give my glory.
See,
I said Xavi walk.
Okay, you try.
I go find that podcast.
Season end.
I go find that podcast.
You try.
Wait until season end.
No,
But you
I tell you,
Until
say,
season end.
Xavi go.
Man,
No, Timmy, I try not be accolades.
Okay, what's your woman?
See, I was right.
You were right.
Thank you. That's all.
But coming to you,
That's all.
should I go fit collect title from Real Madrid?
No.
You know
See,
possible.
like I tell you, I can talk at that time. Say,
They can't give me hand though.
yes,
Yeah.
see, Real Madrid go win that
One.
league. See,
So they get like 9 games.
what is Xavi bring? I tell you, say the process or the project where he gets not be 1 year, not 2 years. You know why not 2 years? Because Barcelona gets structure already. When a club that structure never break, it means that they still get level because they still get players come on the La Masia.
Yeah.
Good example, Gavi, that boy now. Oh
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
Player with Sabi.
And they still get young boys. Pedri. Oh, I go stop
Now one of the lowest buy player like
5M.
we no cost we can they make sense. Them I think from La Palmas.
5M. So
That guy the ball,
they
I
still
think.
get structure. They get a mixture of older players and young players.
Yeah.
Gerard Piqué, Eric Garcia, Araujo.
Busquets is still
You
there.
come middle, Busquets. You get Gavi. You get Pedri.
Yeah.
You go up front too.
Dembele did yeah.
Then Belly did it. So they get mixture, they get everything. So that's why when Xavi come, Xavi say, give me what I need. The basic thing I need. And this is what after Barcelona say, therefore the good player want to be Barcelona kind of players.
Yeah.
They don't understand their philosophy.
That's why when they sign Antoine Griezmann, I talk and say Griezmann go flop for
They go talk
Barcelona.
Memphis the pay.
Because I think if he's the pay, go fit play well to 11, can be
They
a
want
squad
to float
player.
them.
He can
They
be a
want to float
squad
them now.
player because Memphis can actually play well from the wings. But Griezmann wings, you know they play. The best of them promotion now, saying be first 9.
Yeah.
Barca don't do first 9. Say be Messi
Or main player as 10.
as 10. So I said it here on this podcast.
We don't hear.
And then, I'm always right.
No,
I'm always right.
You say anything.
Let's
But
move
then
on.
you got to commend the players too. The fact that they
Cecilio,
get hungry and the fact
You want where you talk don't do.
the
Before you
Pogri-
go talk, the one I go put it for
No,
one
no,
like
no,
it.
the Pogri-
You use your mouth tell us say he can never make it. Okay, guys, moving on to Champions League. Champions League will return this week. And the games then will go sharply, quickly. I put Moku start from Chelsea against Real Madrid, the Sexy Joe. We talk about Thomas Tuchel, voila, we divorce, all those things, then lose to Brentford. But now that they go meet Real Madrid too. Last season, now this same Chelsea come out them. People they talk say, may they no worry. Say last time when they win Champions League, West Bromwich Albion beats them 5-2 for home. They still go win Champions. Saying that the same thing won't happen. Sergio, can it happen again?
But you know, if you dispute Chelsea form for Europe this season,
True.
Then they fantastic form, despite all their troubles and wahalas where they follow them from house. We still see waiting Chelsea fit do when they reach Europe. Yes, then beat these guys. Then draw. I think they draw for Bernabeu. Come play. They can't beat them for Stamford
beat
Bridge.
them for Stamford Bridge,
Exactly. So, and again, I remember saying, was it last week or 2 weeks ago when Barcelona beat them 4-0? You know, change anything. Last 5 games of these two sides, they're a win-win. Last 5 games. And I feel Chelsea go shock everybody against Real Madrid because I feel say for Stamford Bridge, now in the first leg will first happen, Chelsea go nip one over Real Madrid. Forget their troubles. They still they focus, they still they in form. I tell you, it's a person they get bad day for office. And one of those bad day now against Brentford where they take chop and 4-1. That's one, now enough ginger for them to come back stronger against Real Madrid.
And Buchi, make I come to you. Pep Guardiola, one of his biggest problem with Bayern Munich, now say he meet Atlético Madrid, you know if he beat them because Diego Simeone, now one coach, we say they always give Pep Guardiola plenty problems. City, they play against Atlético Madrid. Then go frustrate Pep, we know. But Pep's supposed to overcome. Or what do you think?
Because Ingo will come because this Atlético Madrid, they don't be there.
True.
Defensively, they don't really they very strong. City not be Man United though. When people get to know that one, they don't be Man United though. And City right now they are going up and up and up. They reached final last season. I definitely say they will reach final this season again because I think they have the better team, better coach than the rest. But no underrate Atlético de Madrid. Now when you underrate them, while you start a day, I think City go win like 70%. But 30% is something with Atlético. They can take 30%.
And that 30%, if you use them well.
Exactly. If the point we say how many goals they go concede. Are we going
But
to
Are we going to do? And now City, they play home first.
So if they go City house, at least then draw that match to City house.
Now, waiting Atletico Madrid go they hope to get from that game to draw come finish work for
Moku say as it go be the other games them for inside the UEFA Champions League now. Villarreal where they play Bayern Munich and also Benfica where they play Liverpool. From there, my people Moku sharply talk about Niger star players them. We show Sabina is over the weekend, even though say Super Eagles fall on hand. But Moku talk about the players them. Kelechi Iheanacho where they no play for the second leg for that game against Ghana. He scored against Manchester United. Talk about Paul Onuachu scored 3 goals, even though say 2 of them na penalty. But penalty na still game.
Go.
Kayode Olanrewaju said follow score. Anayo Ihuala for me now my star player for the week because last week or was it 2 weeks ago he still helped Experience score. Give them help goal too. And now again he don't do him. For me I go feel say yes Anayo really what time. But make I ask the guys them for inside the studio. Who na pick more or less. Another player where score Tere Murphy too score. Aaron Samuel.
He scored for
second division.
He scored for the day where Messi, Mbappe, and Neymar they on fire.
For Tere Murphy.
For Tere Murphy.
So no be the singer.
Aaron Samuel.
In they sing now.
You don't know Aaron Samuel.
In they sing. You don't know.
Aaron Samuel
in get music now. Yes, they play boy in the sing. That one for you.
Okay, yeah, not true. I think I don't hear that.
Face your football.
In the rap.
From Chang Yatai to
second. Now how to score?
Peru. What be that club
for? Second division. For
Turkey. For Turkey.
Yes, now in the sing. Everyone saw Mr. Tuki.
He should face his footballing career. He's a very good player.
From
CSK Moscow.
Very good player. Bully player.
I tell you. So unfortunate say he just fade out like that from inside the national team. Anayo Ihuala, yes, for Tunis. Esperance of Tunisia. They call it ES Tunis. For Champions League. He scored the other time. He scored again this weekend. Wait, Kelechi 3 goals so far this season. Obroya. Paul Onuachu, as I take talk and goal na goal. If you like, make it be penalty or no penalty, I go definitely give it to Paul Onuachu because this guy don't get 19 goals. The hottest Nigerian striker right now. 19 goals this season. And for Kayode Olanrewaju, at least you don't, just like Ihuala, you don't do back-to-back. Exactly. You don't do back-to-back. He scored last week. He scored this week where also end. So at least that's small. But Onuachu, he's on fire.
Buchi, who you go give?
I want to take Onuachu for what they do. Great player. I don't know why they don't invite him. I don't know because they don't like top people. But I'll take Kelechi Iheanacho. Because I want to take shade that Brendan Rodgers. Rodgers, I don't know what they do you, but Rodgers, they mess up. Iheanacho they play well, they bench him. Iheanacho they play well. If you no score in the assists, in impact they very obvious. You they bench him. Maybe the last 2 games going to start him.
Yeah.
And I going to deliver. That goal score against Manchester United. So in case Brendan Rodgers watches,
and that was a very difficult goal.
We are coming for you.
See the goal where he scored. Very, very tight position. Now he did to score.
They're annoying.
Okay, from there now, Moku enter face me, I face you. This one, the new RNG. We rename this one from 1-on-1 to face me, I face you, and me and Sexy Joe will go quarter today as she want Tranga. But Sexy Joe, the topic that say Man U, Ralph Rangnick, don't talk say Manchester United they need hungrier players where they hungry for next season.
Definitely, I totally agree with him. This crop of Man United players no they hungry at all. And I don't blame them because money don't spoil football. As long as now, here say Bruno Fernandes don't sign Chacha contracts, we carry and go to £40,000 per week. So now the Pogri they there. Nobody send the result anymore. They play well, they no play well. They no say come Friday, Allah to go enter.
They talk say player no hungry. So Ronaldo no hungry.
Oh, that one a big name.
How now? How you go to talk saying a big name? See, the truth of the matter is say Sexy Joe. Whether or not you like her.
Not be 11 player they feud.
They're not hungry.
One player they hungry. The rest no they hungry.
No, Bruno Fernandes no they hungry.
Bruno Fernandes they hungry. Then he should ginger his swagger.
What ginger again he want give?
Ginger his swagger.
What swagger again he want ginger? What swagger he want ginger? Player where they score goal for Portugal. They qualify like, Portugal for their own World Cup.
What's it be named? Marcus Rashford. You get players like Bruno Fernandes. You get players like Paul Pogba.
Question when they ask you.
Whether he is here or here. And at the end of the day, they do bonanza.
Which player no they hungry for Manchester United right now?
They're hungry. Look at Brentford. They get hungry players.
Oh, because they beat Chelsea.
Yes.
Just yesterday.
They get hungry players.
How many?
That is why
where they for table? Where they for table? No, where they for table?
Even me, I'm hungry as I dey here.
No, Sexy Joe. matter. Sexy Joe, why use vaccination and hunger? Hunger. See,
one player they hungry like this. So when you are passionate and hungry about what you do, you go come out full force. With the eye when they shine, where hard like this. Now you go do it. It's supposed to. Man United players are not hungry. If they are hungry, they're not go there 5th position.
No, which one?
If they are hungry, they're not go there 5th position. When you are hungry like Man City and Liverpool, you go there up.
Why Arsenal
is hungry.
Leave us now.
They go use Crystal Palace.
Leave us now. Leave us now. Leave Arsenal, tell me. Leave Arsenal.
They show their ginger. They show their hunger. Man United be like a computer where they do error. They go for the error.
Team no good. You say now hungry.
But for
hungry, which hungry?
They are not hungry.
If you are hungry, tell us you're hungry. That's how you form mic.
I am hungry. That's why I hold mic. They shine eye like this. Now when you don't hungry and passionate about it, they shine eye.
You don't get straight. That's why you form mic. You don't get what you go hold.
Are you hungry?
I'm not hungry.
You're not a hungry player.
Now we're going to end the matter for today for Inside Euroball. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel on top this matter. Football Republic NG. Republic with the K. Don't forget, Republic with the K. And also, we're there every of your podcast level from Spotify and the rest of them. If it do that one. And also, don't forget, say notification button. You guys click on. Click the notification button so that you can get all our latest videos from Inside Football Republic. So enter Naija again next time. I do well. Enjoy the rest of the week. Bye, Gary. Bye, Rice. Chop belly full. Now, bye.
I stay hungry.
Stay hungry.